Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to find YouTube channel ID on mobile. It applies on both iPhone and Android. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're gonna open a browser. You can choose whichever browser that you'd like to use as long as it can access youtube.com. But for this video I will be using Google Chrome. Let's go ahead and open it. And once you've opened, you can just go ahead and go to youtube.com and make sure that the account that you'd like to copy or find the YouTube channel ID is the one logged in. And once you've made sure, we're gonna go ahead to the address bar again and type in youtube.com/account. And once you've typed that, you can just go ahead and press go. And you will be transferred to the screen. And on this screen, the one we're looking for is your YouTube channel category. And as you can see, there are different options such as channel status and features, create a new channel, and view advanced settings. The one that we're going to choose is view advanced settings. And once you've tapped that, you'll be transferred to the screen. And as you can see, the channel ID and the user ID is right in front of you. If you want to copy, you can just go ahead and press the copy right beside the channel ID. And once you've tapped that, it is now copied, and you can now paste it to anywhere you like. And for example, you can paste it here. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.